Your operation is your livelihood and your passion. But with the rise of production costs, you may be looking for additional profits. But expansion can be even more costly. How do you increase your income without expanding? Have you ever considered giving tours of your farm or operation? Agritourism can increase your farm's income without needing expensive adjustments to get started. You may not know how to reach new visitors once you properly set up your operation to be an agritourism spot. We have a solution. Introducing the American Farm Trail app. Listing your farm or agricultural operation on the app and offering tours is a way to reach more consumers and potential students of agriculture. We can get your farm or operation listed in a way that is exciting, inviting, and free. How can the American Farm Trail app help? It provides a way to promote your operation as an agritourism stop. Your operation will be listed as an available tour. You can tell potential visitors about your attraction, its history, and what experiences you have to offer. The app is easy to use so you can make your listing look professional. We even provide pointers on how to set up your operation for a successful tour. The American Farm Trail app will get your location noticed. The app will expose your farm or operation to a whole new audience of potential visitors, which means more touring income for you. Potential visitors will be able to easily find your information and location, so they will be excited and ready to learn when they get to your attraction. The American Farm Trail app also provides a way for every producer in the U.S. to do their part in building ag literacy by giving consumers a first-hand look at a functional ag operation, all while making extra income for the producer. The app is free to use and was developed by the nonprofit, the American Farm Bureau Foundation for Agriculture. Join the American Farm Trail app to educate consumers, increase your operation's income, and enjoy the sense of purpose that comes with building ag literacy while feeding the world. Visit farmtrailapp.com to get started.